Hi guys,
Today we're eating candy.
So first we got this.
I got this at the store with Auntie Cat.
Yeah, so we got this
squeezy
candy.
play.
It has green apple, raspberry, and strawberry. And we got this warhead sour.
It's not
watermelon.
even sour.
Yeah,
It's not even sour.
Yeah, because we tasted before.
First, let's
Wait,
try.
no, we have to tell everything.
And
we got we got squeeze candy.
We got the squeezy poop. It's squeezed out.
And we got this.
And
got this flavor.
This squeezes out things, but
Here, let me help. Ready?
We got
2, 1.
it squeezes out things. And it has candy.
We got this. So we're not eating it yet.
We got this strawberry flavored lipstick candy.
Yeah, it's strawberry. And we have to try and put this back on. Do that. Okay. Okay, you guys ready? So first, we're gonna put these over here, and we're gonna try this one.
The squeezy play.
Yep.
So she's gonna try
Which one
all
should we
them.
try first?
Blue raspberry. No, but okay.
We all gotta eat it at the same time. So for you,
Don't eat it yet, okay?
so for you.
Don't
Wait,
eat it yet.
not yet. And so
For me.
I have to squeeze it out.
Okay, let's
That's
count
right.
on
Ready?
the
3,
2,
2,
1.
1.
Now let's try this. Strawberry.
I had this before.
Now let's try them at the all same time.
Oh, yeah, at the last one. So Nitty ate it. That's okay. 3, 2, 1.
That actually tastes like a lollipop.
Now we're gonna do green apple. I love.
And then we're gonna do all them at the same time.
I go first, Nitty. You know that.
I go second.
And I'll go.
And Zai go third.
Ready? 3, 2,
2,
1.
Let's try them at the all same time now.
Yeah, we did.
No.
She
put all them on her finger. So put it like that. Oh.
Now you.
Put it like.
Don't eat it yet.
Hey!
Oh, I'm sorry. It's hard to squeeze. Not yet.
We can't eat it yet.
Okay, now we're doing strawberry.
Strawberry. Can we squeeze it on our own now? Because you didn't let us squeeze it on our own.
No, you know why? Because she don't want all the candy gone. Wait,
And we know that you put too much.
I probably put too much. There.
There.
We're about to get messy.
Yeah. So you better let us eat all this candy.
That tastes like cotton candy.
What?
Okay, now the last one. Don't
Strawberry.
eat it. Kind of do actually.
Okay, now let's try green apple. I'm not gonna squeeze too much.
Okay,
Please.
Okay, let's squeeze that 3, 2.
1, 2.
Wait.
Okay, Zaya, you got blue.
3,
I'm gonna mix
2,
them
1.
together. When you put a rainbow, guys, Now we're gonna try the candy poop. It's great. Okay, we're gonna each get 2.
No, 1.
Huh?
It's in my purse. 1. See? Here.
I wanna pick my 1.
Uh-oh.
1.
3,
Don't eat it yet. 2, 1.
Okay, go to back.
Well,
Now I'm gonna try this. No, let's try this one.
Okay.
Save the best for last. Now I'm gonna try the strawberry kind of lipstick. Except the barely anything there.
Okay, I'm gonna do it by myself, so you can go first. Yeah, I'm gonna do it by myself too. I'm gonna put it on my lips.
No, you need to do it.
Okay. That was
My turn.
Sorry, guys. I think think we put too much of that cotton candy.
You got good. Okay, next one. You're only two. Okay.
Okay.
Now we're race.
No, I'm gonna do it by myself.
Okay, come on. Ready?
Okay.
I'm gonna show the camera. Guys, I thought this was just lipstick, but it's candy. Right, Rennie?
Auntie Cat say that. Auntie Cat that says this is lip gloss, but it's candy too.
Okay, that's enough.
No. Okay.
You sound like just like that girl.
I gotta finish my protein.
And this one,
Okay, that's enough.
This
you're
is
just gonna miss
less.
it. Next we're gonna do this one. I'm gonna go
Okay.
across this time.
Wait. We have to wait until she's done.
Okay, I'm not done.
Okay, then we're going on by ourselves.
I see you. Okay,
Okay, let's go.
let's done.
Wait. We have to put this away. Okay, so ready? Next, we're gonna try the Ward's Head sour watermelon squeeze candy.
We
We're
both.
gonna put our fingers by ourselves.
So I'm gonna put it on my fingers.
It's
Like,
just so good.
yes.
Let me get this hair off.
Oh. You didn't say if I was okay, Ma. Mommy, you got too much. You can't eat it yet. Okay.
Stop. Okay, that's enough. Ready?
Okay.
Oh, oh, her finger.
Mine too.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
That's it for today.
My tongue feel weird. That was so good.
That's sour.
That's it for today, guys.
That's right. What you gonna say to the camera?
Thank you for watching and like and subscribe if you like this show. Come back to our next email to see our more sour videos. Make sure you hit that like button. Bye.